Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update Clair Obscur Expedition 33. I show you guys how to do it. First, you need to know how the FitGirl update works. And here is the update listed as you can see. Version V56180 to V56289. And to find our current game version, right click and select properties, go to details. And in product version, as you can see, 56180 and 56180 as you can see in here. We can update to 56289 guys. You can't directly update to this fourth one right over here. You can able to update it one by one, 1 2 3 4, and that's how the FitGirl Repack works. So the first update I have 56289. We are going to update it, and just showing you guys the current version. And go to downloads, and here is the update I have. Just right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. After getting extract done, double click on the extracted folder, double click on the application, select yes, select the language and select OK, select next, select the browse option, and navigate to the game folder guys. I saved in C drive games, and here is the game folder. After selecting the game folder, select OK and select next. Already exists. Would you like to install that to that folder anyways? Select yes and select next, select install. After getting this done, uncheck this option guys. Open this site and verify all game files. Just check mark it, because if any files are missing, then you can able to see that. Select the finish option, and all 134 is done and files are okay. Select the exit option, and now I'm gonna show you the current version of the game. Right click and open file location, right click and select properties, go to details, and as you can see, we have updated this to 56289. In the image I show you 56289, the game has been updated, and now I'm gonna launch this game guys. And now as you can see, the game launched without having any problem. And that's how you can update FitGirl games. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.